say art is just for a loser. Just a painting, nothing more than a worthless piece of color on a canvas. But it's so much more than that. Art tells stories. It captures emotion we can't explain. Feelings we often hide.
First class, Turbulent Waters by Ella Roberts might just look like a beach and waves. Simple, maybe boring, but look again. Use your imagination and think deeper. A mixed media storm of emotion, chaos, confusion, all flowing into one another. It's the inner turmoil we've all felt, but never dared to show. As a farmer's frozen is a hunting beast, a figure trapped in ice. The icy grave seems to whisper. Paralyzing grip of fear, silent, still, Lucas Winchell, the weight of anger doesn't just show anger. It's screaming, jab shapes, fury colors, and burn. It's a reminder that anger will be destructive and also be transformative.
Vanessa Lee, the calm before offers stillness a rare delicate pause. The moment before the storm, a breath before chaos.
All things start shattered with smiling silence. A mask broken in your heart. Then the happiness begins, hide your trust. The peace does not hide the peace. Ivy Thompson is the range between a storm of passion, bursting with color and chaos. It's the fire inside, the one we all try to contain. Rebecca James gives us pure energy in joy, emotion, swirls, splashes, and lightness. This is Joy Unchained, a celebration of peace. Dreams by Cara Foster Creeps in, heavy, suffocating. This is the weight of anxiety, captured in canvas and pigment. Tyler Adams' elation is an explosion, joy in its wildest form.
Used in the time places, us inside the blackboard of sorrow. It feels, it hurts, it reminds us of everything we try to forget.
1, 2, 3, go.
These aren't just paintings, sculptures, or colors. They are pieces of our range, our fears, our joy, and our pain. Art doesn't just reflect life, it reveals it.